You've heard of tiny homes, but have you ever slept in a private jet on the ground? In Gwynedd, Wales, a man named Tamir Ali has transformed half of a 1970s Hawker jet, yes, just the half, into a jaw-dropping Airbnb. The jet was decommissioned in the 80s, cut in half, and had its wings removed for transport. And now, it's been brought back to life in the most unexpected way. Aviation fans, this one's for you. Originally used to fly oil executives to international business meetings, this jet's cockpit still looks like it's ready for takeoff. But now, instead of sky-high deals, it's hosting sky-high vibes without ever leaving the ground. Tamir, who's an antique car renovator with love for the weird and wonderful, got the jet from an acquaintance who deals in oddities. And let's just say it needed some serious TLC. The nose cone was hanging off, there was no door, and inside was full of mold and moss. But Tamir saw its potential, and after 7 months and $120,000, he turned it into a fully functioning home, complete with 2 bedrooms, a real kitchen, and a bathroom with a shower, and even a cozy outdoor sitting area. He also added a 16-by-9-foot cabin to make room for all the essentials. And yes, you could still sit in the cockpit. It's awesome. When people walk in, they say it's much bigger than it seems on the outside, Tamir said. And judging by the booking, people are loving it. After just 3 weeks of being on Airbnb, it's at 70% occupancy. So for 170 pounds a night, you can live out your aviation dreams. And with your pets too. Tamir's flying high without ever leaving the runway. And I'm totally here for it. If this story gave your day a lift, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more good news content just like this. This is Nina Infinity with your daily dose of infinite hope.